And so at this moment, what does this mean for families in Florida? What does it mean right now for women in Florida?
10 Tampa Bay's Liz Crawford is here now with what happens next. Liz, our state has already taken steps to limit abortions.
Governor Ron DeSantis signed a bill in April restricting most abortions after 15 weeks of pregnancy. And it's important to note, if Roe v. Wade stayed, it would not have stopped this Florida law from going into effect next Friday. After the Supreme Court ruling, the governor tweeted this, saying, quote, "By properly interpreting the Constitution, the Supreme Court has answered the prayers of millions upon millions of Americans." He went on to say Florida will continue to defend its recently enacted pro-life reforms. Come July 1st, most women in Florida won't be able to get an abortion after 15 weeks unless her life is endangered or the fetus has a fatal abnormality. So how many abortions are we looking at? Well, we got the numbers from the state. In 2021, nearly 94% of abortions were performed in the first trimester. They would not be impacted by this new ban, but there is a gray area when we get into the second trimester. A total of 4,838 abortions were performed statewide when a woman was in her second trimester. Now, out of all of those, only about 20 of them would be allowed under Florida's new law, and that's because the woman's life was at risk.
This is a crisis moment. As physicians, we are gravely concerned about our patients who will be put in harm's way because of the ruling and the law here in Florida.
Florida's 15-week ban is being challenged in court right now. Planned Parenthood alleges the law violates a person's right to privacy. A South Florida synagogue is suing the state, claiming the abortion law violates religious freedoms.